pwede na umutang sa Shopee. How to apply or activate SpayLater and get up to 50,000 pesos credit. Who are allowed to use SpayLater? A Filipino citizen who is at least 21 years old and has of these valid IDs, and also have a verified ShopeePay account. Now, how to activate your SpayLater? Go to Me tab, click SpayLater, click Activate Now. Wait to get your verification code sent to your Shopee registered number. Then, enter the 6-digit code, then click Enter. For the first step, upload your valid ID. So these are the photo instructions, just follow it para iwas error sa pag-apply. Make sure your valid ID is not expired. When you take a picture, make sure it's not blurry, with glare or dark. Then make sure na clear and readable yung ID na pinicturan mo. So these are the valid IDs they will accept for activating your SpayLater. They will accept postal ID, PRC, and the 3 recommended ID, the UMID, passport, or driver license. I have my passport to use for activating my SpayLater, so these are the example how you upload your passport ID. So I will upload it now. Click Upload your passport. Make sure you follow the instruction for taking picture of your valid ID. If good na yung pag-take mo ng picture, just click the check button. Wait for it to load. You can retake your ID picture kung feel mo di ka pa satisfied sa pag-picture nito. Once the ID picture uploaded na, the details will show below automatically. So before you check confirm button, make sure to double check everything, then click confirm. Second step, additional information. Fill up your personal information. Then fill up emergency contact. Then click the 2 boxes. Then double check muna lahat ng details before you click confirm. Then turn on your device location. Wait for it to load. Lastly, for identity verification, facial verification. Make sure nakaharap ka sa camera mo ng maayos. Dapat hindi madilim. Click Start Facial Verification. After nila ma-detect mukha mo, magpo-process na agad yung verification. Then wait na mag-load ito. And ayan na, you will get the amount for your SpayLater after you activate it. I get 1,500 pesos credit only. Choose the due date kung kailan ka magbabayad. Now, you can use it to pay for your online shopping. If you use SpayLater for paying your order sa Shopee, make sure to pay it before your due date para maganda yung standing mo. And also guys, I wanna share to you my experience na after how many months ako nag-activate ng SpayLater, I received another 6,000 pesos credit. So may 7,500 pesos credit na ako. Which is good kasi nadagdagan siya ng 6K kahit hindi pa ako umutang. Having SpayLater is convenient, lalo na kung gusto mong umutang ng item pero wala ka pang pambayad kapag dumating ito. With this, you can buy now and pay it later. O, diba?